Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we will create a bootable Windows 11 USB drive that you can use for clean installation. So I will show you two different methods for creating a bootable Windows 11 USB drive. The first is an official method shared by Microsoft, which uses the media creation tool to create a Windows 11 bootable drive. The USB drive created with this method will only run on your supported Windows 11 hardware. Whereas in the second method, we will first download a specific version of Windows 11 ISO file from Windows Insider Preview. You will get to choose from stable builds, insider previews, and even the future builds. Then we will use a tool called Rufus to create a bootable Windows 11 installation media. With this method, even the unsupported hardware can run Windows 11. Now, let's talk about the things that we will need. So first, we will need a USB drive with at least 8 gigs of storage. Then we will need a Windows PC running any version of Windows. And lastly, we will need a stable internet connection for downloading the required files. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, open any browser on your PC and then search for Microsoft Software Download on Google. Now, open the first official Microsoft link. Here, you can choose from different versions of Windows, like Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1 or Windows 7. So since we want to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive, I will click Windows 11. Now, scroll down a bit to where it says Create Windows 11 Installation Media and then click on the Download Now button. Once clicked, click on Open to launch your media creation tool. Now, accept these terms and conditions. So here you will see the language and edition options which are currently inactive. So uncheck this box and then select your desired language and Windows edition. Once done, click on Next. So here, select the USB drive option. So make sure you are using a USB drive with at least 8 gigs of storage. Once done, click on Next. Now it's time to insert your USB drive. So if your USB drive is undetected at this moment, we will need to format it into the NTFS file format. To do that, click on Start and then search for Windows Partition Manager. Now, right-click on your USB drive and then click on Format. Under File System, select NTFS and then click on OK. So this will erase all the data of your USB drive, so make sure nothing important is saved onto it. So once the format is completed, you can close Windows Partition Manager and return to the media creation tool. Now, click on Refresh Drive List and your USB drive will be visible. Once selected, click on Next. The media creation tool will now start creating your Windows 11 bootable installation media. So this might take some time as the tool will first download the Windows 11 ISO from your Microsoft servers and then create a bootable USB drive. For me, the entire process took around 17 minutes. So once the USB drive is ready, it will say your USB flash drive is ready. Just click on the Finish button and you are done. You can now open your USB drive in your file manager. To boot from this device, restart your PC, set it to your first boot priority and then clean install Windows 11. Now, let's move on to our second method. So first, open a browser and search for Windows Insider Preview download on Google. Now, open the first official Microsoft link. Now, click on the Sign In button and log into your Microsoft account. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one for free. Once signed in, scroll down a bit to see the Select Edition option. Just click on it and then you will see a complete list of available versions. So you can choose from Future, Beta and Release Preview channels. So I will select the latest Release Review channel for 25H2 version. Just select it and then click on Confirm. Now select your language. I will select English International and then click on the Confirm button. So after a while, you will see the download button. So just click on 64-bit download to download the Windows 11 ISO file. So as I have already downloaded this file, so I will skip this process. Moving on, open another tab and then search for Rufus and visit their official website. Once opened, scroll down a bit and download the latest Windows version. Once done, click on Open to launch your Rufus. Now insert your USB drive. Once detected, you will see it under Devices. Under boot selection, click on select. Now, locate the Windows 11 ISO that you have downloaded in the previous tab. Once selected, click on open. Now leave everything at their defaults and then click on the start button. So here comes the tricky part. So as soon as you click on the start button, a pop-up with several options will appear. So with this first option, you will bypass all the Windows 11 requirements such as 4 gigs of RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0. So this is great for hardware that doesn't traditionally support Windows 11. So with the second option, you can skip creating a Microsoft account during the Windows 11 installation. With this third option, you will directly create a user account on your new Windows installation. So you can also skip all the privacy questions and even disable BitLocker right here. So go through all these options and select the ones that you prefer. Once done, click on OK. Click on OK again to format your USB drive. So make sure nothing important is saved onto this drive. Now this will take a while. For me, it took around 11 minutes and then your Windows 11 USB drive will be ready. You can now open your USB drive in your file manager. So to boot from this USB device, just restart your PC, set it as your first boot priority and then clean install Windows 11. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like these. I'll see you in the next one.